Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this video I'm going to unbox and review this mini storage bag for the DJI Osmo Action 6. Now, quick disclaimer here, TELESIN did reach out and sent us this for review purposes. TELESIN do not have any say in the editorial or on the fact that my ginger cat's climbing my back to get onto the unit behind me. But yes, TELESIN have no say in the editorial of this, but thanks to TELESIN for sending us the review item for Tech Travel Geeks. So, as many of you have known and will have noticed from my filming recently, I've been doing quite a lot of filming with the DJI Osmo Action 6. I really like it as an action camera. But sometimes you need some accessory or bag to keep it safe when traveling. And it's important to also not lose it in the bottom of the bag, as I actually have done in the past. Now, I'm failing miserably at unpackaging this whilst I have a ginger cat on my shoulders. You may see the shadow of his tail at some point. But here we go. I open the bag. Nice! This is nice and orange. And it comes in a plastic bag. Let's take the plastic bag off. And this is a little carry case for the DJI Osmo Action 6 with TELESIN branding on the top. TELESIN, back to enjoyable. And the back to enjoyable motto is repeated across the zip line on the case. And if we open the case, it's nice and waterproof, I think. Whoops. Ginger Cat wants to say on orange case, don't worry, it's not replacing your orangeness. Yes, it's not replacing. Poor ginger baby. Whoops. Sorry, Ronan. Apologies for those of you watching. Some of you will actually be here just for Ronan's appearance. We'll be having more content about Ronan soon. So I'm going to put, oops, he's actually walking around me. So there we go. Orange cat tail and orange case for the DJI Osmo Action 6. Now the little pouch here, whoops, I'm going to have to continue with this. Oh, he's playing with me. Hello, Paul. Yes. There you go, you get bonus footage of Ginger Cat in this video, who's insisting on attention. Ronan, are you going to be part of this case review? I think so. Let's see what else is in the bag. Okay, so there is a little drying pack. I'll put that away. Little TELESIN quick guide. Quick disclaimer, we really have Ginger Cat participating in this review. Yes, we do. Okay, so there is an additional strap here. This is for the side of the case, and it allows you to use it to keep the case accessible. And the way you do that, let me just take the plastic off. So I've got my DJI Osmo Action 6 in it. I'm going to close it up. And then here we have our little carabiner, which can go around the strap here. Let's see if I can do that one-handed. No, don't eat the plastic, silly cat. So there we go. So I'm going to use the carabiner to hook the strap here and ensure that it goes all the way around. There we go. So that's the carabiner in place and protected by the strap itself. So now I have the case, which fits nicely in my travel bag, and this strap, which will make it useful for, say, keeping my hand in it, so it's a wrist strap like that, or for strapping it onto my belt loop. I have a carabiner on my cargo pants. This would be a good way of taking this away. Now, again, Ginger Cat is insisting on being here. Please don't eat the silica gel, cat. I'll put that away. And yeah, so nice orange case. I like this because it's easily identifiable within your bag, especially in low light conditions. The colors are quite nice, and the reason I quite like them is probably because they are the colors of Edinburgh Rugby. If you think about it, that's pretty close. So thanks, TELESIN. I think this is a good case. It has quite a sturdy strap, good casing, good zipper with what looks like splash proofing in it, and space here for some additional accessories for the DJI Osmo Action 6. So as usual, I will link in the description to where you too can purchase this TELESIN case for the DJI Osmo Action 6. I will also link to the TELESIN website. And if you have any questions, if you'd like to know more, if you'd like to see a dedicated video of me playing with the Ginger Cat, since he wants to be part of this show, do let us know in the comments section below. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We go back to enjoyable, as TELESIN do, but we also cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching if you made it this far into the video, and goodbye from me.